Keep your cigar room fresh with this commercial humidifier. In case you are wondering, this humidifier is used in the cigar industry because of its high accuracy. The advantage of the technology within the cigar humidifier is the fact the water particles are small and ensure your room will feel fresh. It produces enough humidity to keep your cigars fresh in a big room. The fully automated commercial cigar humidifier can be mounted inside or outside of your walk-in humidor. Email support@yourelegantbar.com to find out more.